A good Sunday morning, everybody. Sunday, just after 8 a.m., December 28th. We're almost done for this year. Um, so before we get into the weather, you're watching this on YouTube, hit the subscribe button, please and thank you, as well as the like, and then share this with your friends. So how I do videos, usually the morning video is public release, everybody can see it, and then I do a evening video that is for my paid members, subscribers. Um, if there's severe weather going on or active weather taking place, I do a lot more of the unlisted or private videos, getting those out to the paid subscribers. If you're interested in doing that, go to weathersmith.com, wxsmith.com, to subscribe. It's $11.99 a month. Really good deal. You get a lot of content, a lot of updates when there's active weather. All right, so let's dive into this. Today's going to be very active winter-wise. We've got a low-pressure system with cold front approaching the area. You can definitely tell the wind barbs on the east side of the front are all blowing up towards that low-pressure system, and then on the back side, we've got winds blowing towards it. So that kind of gives you an idea where the cold area is. Overlaying that, uh, major cold on this side, and then we've got some mild weather. I mean, 66 here in Tulsa. Joplin is pretty close to the same. That's going to scoot through. We'll start seeing temperatures drop in far southeastern Kansas probably in the next hour and a half, 2 hours. Northeastern Oklahoma, probably 3 hours away, so 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, noon, somewhere around there. Southwest Missouri, 11 o'clock or noon, sometime around there. And then it'll just plummet throughout the day. There is a chance of some precip. Let's go over that with Synoptic here. Simulator radar, we've got it pulled up. We'll just play it through here. 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11, noon today. So the 540 line is here. 540 line usually is your indicator between liquid and winter precip. Your 558 line is usually your freezing line right here. So, or your transition line. All right, so playing this through here. So noon, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4, 5 o'clock. Notice now from last night, we do have some precip, more stout than what we did have. I still say amounts are going to be really low if we even see this take place. Again, this is 5 p.m. tonight, 6 o'clock, 7, 8 o'clock, it's out of here. But definitely the 540 line's already pushed through, so liquid or winter mix possible. Looking at snow totals, everything's staying just outside of the local area, Wichita, Kansas City, Springfield, points north, and those amounts are very, very minimal. We're looking 0.04, so we're looking at a trace, if that even takes place. With that said, flurries definitely going to be a possibility. Maybe some very light sleet stones, if these work, if this even takes place. Looking at freezing ice accumulation, just over by Jeff City is where that is, and it's very minimal. The main story with this is definitely going to be temperatures. So let's play this through here. So 8 a.m., 9, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. So at 11, we're along north by 44, Oklahoma City, Tulsa, Joplin, Springfield. Everybody's still in the 60 range, and then the cold front definitely pronounced as it's working through southeast Kansas and northern Oklahoma. Noon, this is butting up against I-44 now. We're starting to see those temperatures drop. Joplin, all the way down to Oklahoma City. 1 p.m. continuing, 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m. Look at these numbers. 38. I mean, we was in the 60s, so we just dropped 30 degrees. Joplin's 34. 5 p.m. We're now breaking into the 20s in southeastern Kansas, low 30s in Joplin, southwest Missouri, and this just continues through the night period. To make it very cold overnight, we're looking at teens possible southwest Missouri, and then low 20s, maybe some teens in southeast Kansas and northeastern Oklahoma. All right, now switching over to Pivotal here, looking at it. This is just the wind chill. I just wanted to point this out here. And I got it focused on Oklahoma just because it just clips into Southwest Missouri. So this is 11 a.m. Already Oklahoma City has a wind chill of 50 degrees. Tulsa is 60 degrees. Joplin, you're still on the higher side. But as you work into the noon period, 40s for Tulsa and Oklahoma City, as well as the Joplin area. And we'll just play this through for the night. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5, 6, 7, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11, and midnight. Look at that. This is the wind chill. So we're all in the low 20s for Tulsa south, and then far northeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Kansas, southwest Missouri. We're in the close to single digits in some spots. So teens to single digits for wind chills tonight. So, and this is just at midnight. It will still drop as we go into the 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock time frame overnight. So winter is definitely returning. Not so much on the winter precip type, just temperatures. All right, that is all I have for now this morning. Thanks everybody for watching. Again, subscribe, like, share the page. Trying to get to that 500 subscriber limit or number for 2026. It's a tall challenge, but we'll see what we can do. If you like this content, consider becoming a member on our website, weathersmith.com, wxsmith.com. $11.99 a month. You get access to our chat group as well as a lot more videos than what the public gets. All right. Have a fantastic Sunday, everybody. We'll talk to you later.